Hi, I'm James from Gree. What I have here in front of me is a branch box used in systems that require more than 4 tons or used in systems that require more than 5 indoor units. And what you've got with these branch boxes is that you've got piping that comes from the outdoor unit, you've got individual line sets that go to the indoor unit, so you've got power that you're providing from this box to those indoor units, like with 14.4 cable, and then you also have power that you're providing to this box. You have to have a place to install this box and be able to service it after the fact. In addition to that, you've got a condensate drain that you also have to account for. What I have here with the multi-pro system is that you're using just Y branches to connect the piping for the indoor units to the main refrigerant piping system. Here we have a header set. This header could use, let's say, 4 indoor units off of this one header. So what you're doing is that you're just connecting piping for the indoor units to this main trunk line of piping. You are not having to provide power, drain the water from a box. You're not having to find a place to install the box. You could do this instead. So which would you rather install? Branch boxes or Y branches or headers? I've installed branch boxes and I've installed Y branches and headers, and I can tell you it's much easier to install Y branches and headers than it is a branch box. At Gree, we're by your side.